avoid startup apps from slowing down your system. Stop them now.
Background processes can also slow down your system. You need to stop them as well.
Good day. I want to welcome you again to this short video. My name is Dr. Ada. Now I want to talk about startup programs and also background applications. Now at times when you put on your system, you find out that it takes some time for it to boot up. This could be attributed to what we call startup programs. You can stop such programs, okay, as the operating system boots up. By so doing, your system will boot up faster. So what you do is to disable those startup programs. You just come here, you click on your search field here, and you type startup. Startup. Press your enter key. That's it. You can see startup apps. So all these ones you're seeing that are on, it means as your system boots up, at the same time they get started up. So if you don't want them to start working at the background, or for them to start working as your system boots up, all these ones must complete the startup process before you have a full screen. So you can disable them. Okay, just go to this across tray, just click on it. The ones you don't want to start up, okay, automatically, you just disable them like this. Just that's all, like this. Okay, just disable them. Okay, like that. You see, like that. See, disable them. This is my pen tablet. I will leave it. Don't need that pointer stick. This pointer you're seeing. This is the software. Let it run. Okay, this is my antivirus. Let it run. Okay, that's it. This is my wireless adapter. Now this update, you should put this one off. This update, okay? It takes time. You see that as you work from time to time, it carries out updates at the background. Windows updates. It affects the startup time as well. This is your WhatsApp. You can leave this. There are instances as well where we have what we call background processes. Okay, those background processes, they are applications that are running at the background. You won't see them, okay, but they're actually working. So they increase the task on the memory. They increase the number of processes that your system, your computer, has to work on, okay, thereby reducing the speed of the system. Now, to stop those background processes that might actually reduce the speed of your computer, you just come here, click here, and you type services.msc. Okay, press enter. Yes, these are the services that are running. If you scroll here, you can see the status, the description, this is the name of the service. It's running. Okay, the others are not running. So what you do, make sure you don't disable a service that you're not sure of. For example, if you look at this, is Adobe Acrobat Update Service. I don't need this, so I can right click on it and say properties. I come here, the startup type automatic means it starts up automatically on its own. Okay, this can actually affect the speed of your system. So just open it and say disabled. That is if you don't want to get updates on Acrobat Reader. In my own case, I'm disabling it. I say apply. I say okay. I'll come down and scroll down. I scroll just like that. Look at this. I'll be going. There is this one that is common, which is Windows Update. Windows Update, at times you may be using your system to just say, when you are shutting down, it will tell you, do not shut down, do not put off your system. Okay, that's the work of Windows Update. So I'll prefer to update by myself. So I'll come here, this Windows Update. Okay, look at the startup type is manual. So you right click on it. Okay, properties. You come here, startup type, say disabled. You know, apply. You say okay. Okay. Now what it means is that there will not be Windows Update anymore. But if you have a case to maybe install a software and that software needs Windows Update, you can just come here and enable it. Okay, you can come back here and enable Windows Update just like that. Properties, open here. You can say manual. You can leave it as manual here. Apply and say okay. So once you finish updating that software, you can go back and disable it. Yes. Yes, okay. So with this, your Windows will not be carrying out updates without your consent anymore. That's it. So when you disable services like that may be running as a background service, your system is bound to work faster. Thanks for watching. Oh, I know you must have enjoyed this short video. Now I want to subscribe to my channel, be you a student, a teacher, a lecturer, a worker, or a businessman, because I have a lot of videos that are going to be coming up on this channel from time to time, and you have a lot to gain when it comes to computer usage. Thank you.